Dana's stripping. That was a video.
Oh, great. So I'm not able to get a discount on the alcohol we have in the after party for this wedding. How? There's a guy in my class that
You guys suck.
he takes liquor.
You suck.
He does what?
Awesome job.
He's just gonna be liquor, and so he can give me a discount. But we're getting kegs. That's not liquor. Right, but he can get kegs too. So he distributes alcohol. Yeah. Alright.
The debating with Dana.
Literal piece of shit.
You literal bitch.
Back to back.
No skills.
Wow.
Man, what is my problem?
Perfect.
This is Jared. He has Josh's sideburns. Can you turn? They just look like Josh's.
It's the sun. The sun changes the color of them.
Fuck
It's like
you!
a chameleon or something. I don't know.
This is going to be a very dizzy video. And then there's dancing. Ow, Dana.
I don't need to dip it in and touch it. No, it's rebuttal. Fuck it. We have to make
Dana. That sounded like Ghosten. Go Sunday!
I am. Look, we win. We win, Colin. We win.
We win! You win!
You win.
You win!
Hey, no, I'm sorry I let you down. It's just...
Sorry. Next time.
Sorry, I missed the rock on.
This was a warm up.
Wait. Rock on.
Rock on.
Station, I love you. Pretty. Oh, that's...
Oh, it's stupid.
Oh. Oh.